Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SSO with Microsoft Entra ID and Zoom, full guide step by step clearly. To connect SSO with Microsoft Entra ID and Zoom, start by logging into your Microsoft Entra ID portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Enterprise Applications section. Click on New Application to begin the setup process. In the application gallery, search for Zoom. Select Zoom from the search result. Click on the Create button to add Zoom as an application. Next, you'll be directed to the Zoom configuration page. Here, find and click on Single Sign-On in the left-hand sidebar. Select SAML as the single sign-on method. At this point, you will need to gather some information from your Zoom account. Log in to your Zoom admin portal. Navigate to the Advanced section in the dashboard. Click on Single Sign-On under the Account Management category. Make sure to copy the SAML endpoint, HTTP, and SLO endpoint, HTTP, URLs. Return to the Microsoft Entra ID portal and paste the SAML endpoint under the Sign-On URL field. Upload the certificate to the appropriate field in Microsoft Entra ID. You should also provide a unique identifier, typically using your Zoom account domain. Next, fill in the required fields such as domain, user attribute, and name ID. Save your changes on the Microsoft Entra ID. Return back to your Zoom admin portal to finish configuring SSO settings. Enter the sign-out URL if prompted. After that, toggle the Enable Single Sign-On option to activate SSO integration. Now, it's time to test the single sign-on connection. Open an incognito window and navigate to your Zoom login page. Select the option for SSO login. Enter your company's domain when prompted. You should be redirected to the Microsoft Entra ID login page. After inputting your credentials, you should be taken to your Zoom account. Congrats! You have successfully connected SSO with Microsoft Entra ID and Zoom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.